Vande Mataram, 15 अगस्त 2024, शुभकामनाओं के संग माँ जगदम्बा का, श्री अरविंदो का संदेश। Hymn to Durga. Hymn to Durga, written by Sri Aurobindo for India, for the whole world. For those who love India and wish to work for her greatness, with my blessings, the Mother. Hymn to Durga. Mother Durga, rider on the lion, giver of all strength, Mother beloved of Shiva. We born from the high parts of power, we the youth of India are seated here in the temple. Listen, O Mother, descend upon earth, make thyself manifest in this land of India. Mother Durga, from age to age, in the life after life, we come down into the human body, do thy work and return to the home of delight. Now, too, we are born, dedicated to thy work. Listen, O Mother, descend upon earth, come to our help. Mother Durga, rider on the lion, trident in hand, thy body of beauty, armored, clad. Mother, giver of victory, India awaits thee, eager to see the gracious form of thine. Listen, O Mother, descend upon earth, make thyself manifest in this land of India. Mother Durga, giver of force and love and knowledge, terrible art thou in thy own self of might. Mother beautiful and fierce, in the battle of life, in India's battle, we are warriors commissioned by thee. Mother, give to our heart and mind a Titan's strength, a Titan's energy, to our soul and intelligence, a God's character and knowledge. Mother Durga, India, world's noblest race, lay whelmed in darkness. Mother, thou risest on the eastern horizon. The dawn comes with the glow of thy divine limbs, scattering the darkness. Spread thy light, Mother, destroy the darkness. Mother Durga, we are the children. Through thy grace, by thy influence, may we become fit for the great work, for the great idol. Mother, destroy our smallness, our selfishness, our fear. Mother Durga, thou art Kali, naked garland with the human heads, sword in hand, thou slayed the Asura. Goddess, do thou slay with thy pitiless cry the enemies who dwell within us. May none remain alive there, not one. May we become pure and spotless. This is our prayer, O Mother, make thyself manifest. Mother Durga, India lies low in selfishness and fearfulness and littleness. Make us great. Make our efforts great, our hearts vast. Make us true and our resolve. May we no longer desire the small, void of energy, given to laziness, stricken with fear. Mother Durga, extend wide the power of yoga. We are the Aryan children. Develop in us again the lost teaching, character, strength of intelligence, faith and devotion. Force of austerity, power of chastity and true knowledge. Bestow all that upon the world to help mankind. Appear, O Mother of the world, dispel all ills. Mother Durga, slay the enemy within. They root out all obstacles outside. May the noble, heroic mighty Indian race, supreme in love and unity, truth and strength, arts and letters, force and knowledge, ever dwell in its holy woodland, its fertile field, under its sky-scraping hills, along the bank of its pure streaming rivers. This is our prayer. At the feet of the Mother, make thyself manifest. Mother Durga, enter our bodies in thy yogic strength. We shall become thy instrument, thy sword slaying all evil, thy lamp dispelling all ignorance. Fulfill this yearning of thy young children, O Mother. Be the master and drive thy instrument, wield thy sword and slay the evil. Hold up the lamp and spread the light of knowledge. Make thyself manifest. Mother Durga, when we possess thee, we shall no longer cast thee away. We shall bind thee to us with the tie of love and devotion. Come, Mother, manifest thyself in our mind and life and body. Come to revealer of the hero path. We shall no longer cast thee away. May our entire life become a ceaseless worship to the Mother. All our acts a continuous service to the Mother, full of love, full of energy. This is our prayer. O Mother, descend upon earth, make thyself manifest in this land of India. Sri Aurobindo. Translated by Nalini Kant Gupta from Bengali origin, translation seen and slightly revised by Sri Aurobindo. Vande Mataram.